In this lesson, we're going to be going over functions and inserting functions. We already used a little bit of functions before in the previous lesson. I'm going to go over that a little bit more here. So right here, we wanted to know the total of this. We can highlight this here, come down, go to the Autosum, hit an Autosum, and we have a nice function right here, sum function. We can also do this again right here. And we can go over here to average, but we don't want to average this right here, so we can change that over to 18. So we have that right here, 18. We can do the same for the rest of these. Go to min, and we can insert a min right here, and just change to 18 as well. And we can pop over here and do that again to max, get the maximum, go to max, and we just have to go 18 here. And there we go. Suppose we want to do a function that's not really listed up here. And there's a lot of functions in Excel. There's about 400 or 500 functions in here. There's quite a bit. So we just want to we want to count how many rows has numbers in it here, basically what we're dealing with. We can come over here, equal, and maybe we don't even know if there's a function or not, but we can hit equal here, and then we can come over here to the insert function button, click on this, and look what it says. It says type a brief description of what you want to do, and then click go. Okay, you can select the function here, count is in there, but suppose count wasn't there. We could just go here and type in count and go, and it will find one for us right there. There's a function that will do what we want. We could hit OK. And it's asking what value do we want to count? Well, we want to count E4. Change this into E18. That's what we want. So we're going to hit OK. And we got the count E4 to E18 is 15. So we just inserted a function that we didn't know about before. You also have the formula tab in the ribbon. Right now we're on the home tab, but we could come up to the formula tab, and if you see, there is an insert function here, an Autosum, and lots of different items relating to formulas. Calculation section, formula auditing section, defined names section, function library. So if you're doing a lot of functions, this might be a better tab to use. So this concludes our lesson on inserting functions and using functions, and stay tuned for the next lesson.